When your vehicle is out of alignment, three basic problems may occur: irregular tire wear, handling problems, and a crooked steering wheel. A common indicator of misalignment is irregular tire wear. The wear begins on the shoulder of the tire or tires and continues until corrected, which may lead to a significantly shortened tire life. Another indication of misalignment is a pull to one side or the other, requiring constant correction to maintain a straight path. Additionally, a crooked steering wheel indicates your vehicle needs an alignment, especially if your vehicle has driver assist systems, which typically rely on data from the steering angle sensor to function properly. So if you see a shift in the position of your steering wheel, irregular tire wear, or if your car is pulling to one side or the other, get an alignment check as soon as possible. Some alignment conditions can be corrected with simple adjustments, while others may require parts replacement. Ignoring these signs can make your alignment problems more expensive to address down the road, can reduce the life of your tires, and can even cause driver assist systems to malfunction.